Wapow! Hey guys, today I'm here with my sister and we are making slime. You probably don't know, but I have tried on many other occasions to make slime. It hasn't worked. I've tried soap slime and everything. This is the first recipe that I tried the other day and it actually worked. So I've got some soap, shampoo. It's the Alberto Balsam flavour juicy green apple because apple tastes good. And I've also got some free running table salt from Tesco. Indeed. So the first step I'm going to do is take my soap and squirt a little bit on. Then I've also got this old kind of run out pen to mix because I don't have a mixer yet, so I'm going to add a little bit of salt and stir it. You can see it's kind of starting to come together already. Stir it for ages and ages and ages. I will stir more and then I'll be back in a sec. So I'm back. I have mixed it. I was mixing for about 20 minutes. And I put it in a water bottle to put in the freezer. It's easier to mix in a water bottle too. It's like a workout thing. Anyway, I'll put it in the freezer. I'm going to wait for a while. I don't know how long. I'll look at the recipe. It probably says about half an hour or so. So yeah, I'll be back then. So I have put it in the freezer now. You guys might realise my sister, she left before I recorded the last segment because she had to go to gym and she is not here for another 2 hours or so. So yeah, I will wait and wait and wait and wait and wait. Box flip. Oops. And I've waited and waited and waited, like I just said, and it's ready now, and I will go down in the freezer. Well, this slime, you can hear, did not work. It was a shame. Another slime failure, I guess. All the internet recipes are never actually correct. Like, we live in England, so we don't get borax. I know you can order it online, but it's like really expensive. And Elmer's glue is American. They sell it in WH Smith and stuff, but like, yeah, I don't even know. Lots of activators and stuff. Like, in America, slime's really like popular because borax is legal. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. This was a short one. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on the notifications for a slime giveaway. And yes, I will see you guys next time. Bye!